system called FIFO, meaning as first in, first out. You need to go underneath the vegetables because always new vegetables or meat underneath the old one. You need a little bit digging, try to get the better product because you are paying money. You need to get the best. I found beautiful lavash bread. Go underneath. Yeah, we need this for kebab. Here we go. We found olive oil here. It's only $9.99. It's a good deal, very good deal. I think I will buy this. Look at this too. It's pomegranate molasses. Mix it with balsamic vinegar.
Mix a sauce, yeah?
Yeah.
Now this isn't a huge shop, guys, but it has everything you need. It's amazing. Every single bit of spice that you need is here. Every kind of, there's tons and tons of peas, chickpeas, lentils, and we buy all our lentils from the Mediterranean shop when we do lentil soup. We do a lot of Mediterranean soups. It's amazing. And then what they also have, if you find one in your area, check it out. They have all the different mixes for the different curries. So they have all this kind of stuff. So it's really good. So masala, vegetable masala, biryani rice, rogan josh, Chinese egg fried rice, keema, curry powder. They have everything. And then on this side, they've also got, what's over here? These are all like, there's
cardamoms,
cardamoms, nuts,
peppers, any kind of peppers, cumin powder, turmeric, everything, whatever you imagine. Every kind of spice are here.
And in our videos, guys, we're going to be using a lot of this stuff as time goes on, just to make some more wonderful dishes. So yeah, it's a great shop. We love it. I can't believe we're in the middle of a Mediterranean shop and it's got such amazing stuff. Yeah, I know, I'm coming to get them. I'm just telling everyone. You probably guessed I'm English, and well, a lot of the times I can't find English stuff that I love in the US. And US has great stuff, but when I see the English stuff, I go crazy. I mean, oh my God. These are my favorite. I don't know if you can see those right there. Oh, what are these? Chocolate digestive. And I'll eat the whole pack at once. Definitely. And plain digestives. Just unbelievable. And they even have more, which I can't believe. I'm in shock. It's like, wow. Oh, look at all that. My favourite. And this is amazing. Flakes. Flakes. Bounty. I'm in heaven. What else is there? Snickers you can get in places. Cadbury's. Oh my gosh. Cadbury's. Also in the Mediterranean shop they have lots of olives and pickles, which they have in a great selection. So you can get pickles and obviously olives in your local grocery store, but if you check out your Mediterranean store, they do have a great selection. Check this out. You got olives, Yamac?
Yeah, this is the best.
Are they your favourite?
Yeah, best
you
olives.
Munch away at those over night time, yeah?
Yeah. Also, it's very good for salads too.
So good. No doubt, all that chocolate we just bought will be finished by tonight. I can't resist it. And Yamac, would you like half a piece of Bounty?
Oh, no, thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want half?
No.
No?
Enjoy.
All mine?
Enjoy. Now I'm starting with my green peppers. I'm digging to get the biggest ones possible. One green pepper, one red, one yellow pepper. Now I am digging the zucchini, squash, yellow squash. I think this piece is very good. And same as I need to dig underneath 1 zucchini, and the last thing is eggplant. Make sure try to grab the better one, look big and fresh. Portobello mushroom, this is the smaller baby bellas. Yeah, I found very nice one here. And I need also fresh basil. And yeah, this is a good piece. Make sure, you know, when you choose your vegetables, get to the bottom, you know, you will get excellent, the fresh ones. Those two is really good.
We're back, guys.
Let's cook. I'm ready. We are back from shopping. Now time to cook. I'm ready. I will put basil, rosemaries, garlic, olive oil, you know, all those vegetables will be so good. Eggplant and cut right in the middle. Then cut half again. Make a beautiful slices like this. Other half you can use for different dishes. Save it in your fridge. Zucchini 1 inch thick, round. Your zucchini is ready too. Squash, same way you did zucchini, inch thick. With the baby portobello, you don't need to do anything. Put on the side. When you cut your peppers, always this the middle lines, take in the middle and look inside how clean. Same way, second side. Those are big pieces. I got 4 pieces. And same things with red pepper and the green pepper too. The red onion, just clean up, cut on the edge and skin it. Right, and cut in half. You need to get from the half 4 pieces. Other part of the onion I am saving with the sumac onion. Garlic, just put on top, crush it, and you need 4 cloves garlic for your marinade. Put a little bit salt and crush it side of the knife like this. You can chop right now, much easier. Now a little bit parsley. You don't need a lot of parsley, just 1/4 cup. Basil, just take the leaves apart. You don't want to dice main stem. Gives a little bit bitter taste if you do that. Bring your parsley, fold it nicely and chop very fine way. And the rosemary, just hold opposite side of the leaf and pull with your hands. Comes very easily. Time to make marinade right now. I'm so excited this part too. First, 1/2 cup olive oil. Use olive oil. I don't like other oil, just olive oil. And I have balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar inside. I have pomegranate sauce. If you don't have, don't worry, as balsamic vinegar is fine too, but I love extra taste. And pomegranates, maybe 1 teaspoon. It is raining. It's this morning. There was beautiful weather, very sunny. Suddenly turns out a little bit rain. You know, I don't understand this Florida. Now take your garlic, chopped garlic inside, parsley, rosemary, and basil. This is the main ingredients, basil. Oh, smells so nice. Don't forget your salt and pepper. It gives extra taste. Just 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now is your marinade is ready, and just mix it nicely like this, and take all your vegetables here and put inside the bowl. This recipe makes for 5 people, for 5 shish kebab like this. And make sure mix very nicely your vegetables. Your eggplant absorbs a lot of marinade.
How's it going?
Olive oil. Oh, perfect. Smells is beautiful. You know, I can smell that.
Oh, you lost one.
Oh, just put back in the plate.
You lost one.
Yeah, the eggplant absorbs a lot of oil and balsamic vinegar.
Oh, look at that. Looks so nice.
Look at the color and shine. Oh.
Wow, it's great doing these videos because at the end of it we just get to eat it all, and it's so nice and delicious. So we're having kebabs tonight.
Yeah.
I can't wait. But the weather today has just turned against us.
That
We came out
so-
this morning and it was beautiful, and we said we're going to cook outside, we're going to have some fun outside instead of inside the bus. We did all the shopping and we came back, and then it started to rain. Time for kebabs. And these are great. So if you don't have these are the metal skewers. If you don't have them, you can use the wooden ones. You can find them anywhere.
Marinate for 30 minutes. Your kebab will be ready to go on the skewers. Doesn't matter what vegetables first. Just follow the color code. I started with onion. After that, yellow squash, eggplant, red pepper, Portobello mushroom, green pepper. I want to put another eggplant. I love eggplant. Then 1 more zucchini and 1 yellow pepper. Baba, ready to go. My skewers, look at this. Do not forget your sumak onion. You know, if you are doing kebab, you have to do this. And slice your onion julienne style. All right, and chop your parsley. A little bit parsley inside. And your sumak. Whoa. Put lots of sumak inside. Love it. Add salt too. And mix it nicely. Yeah, we will use this sumak with the vegetable skewer. Now, most exciting part. Time to cook.
Time to cook. Yes. Come on, let's do this.
Barbecue is ready. Medium heat, 350, around 400 degrees right now. Ooh, look at the steam, smoke inside.
Look at the size of those. They look delicious.
And take your kebabs, put on the middle. Make sure.
One's popped off.
Yeah, you can put that.
Stick it back on
Yeah.
there.
Make sure the wooden handles outside the barbecue. I don't want to burn the handle part.
I love the smell.
Yeah, it's
How long do
around
they take about to cook?
10 to 15 minutes. You will see golden brown on top, burn marks, you know. That time is ready.
Okay, so while these are cooking nicely on the barbecue, don't forget to subscribe because we've got an awesome surprise to give away to someone once we reach 1,000 subscribers, and you will not be disappointed. It's going to be an amazing kitchen item and you're gonna love it. So subscribe, and when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna send that awesome gift to somebody in the RV world.
Yeah. After 6 minutes, I'm checking other side the kebab. Turning, look at that.
Wow.
It's really getting
And I
very
can really
good.
smell the marinade
Yeah.
on those as well.
Well,
They look great.
yeah, another 5-6 minutes, vegetable kebab will be ready. I love my kebab, love it crispy. I will drizzle, love it olive oil on top.
Whoa.
See the fire.
So you put that on near the end.
Now, final step. Just move your vegetable kebab on the side and the lavash bread. Lavash bread is really good with the kebab. Just make sure 5-10 seconds each side. Like this. First one is ready. You will see the grill marks on top. You can understand it is ready. Now, take your lavash on top and your vegetable kebab like this. Sumak onion. Ooh, look at this. Yummy. Now, what you need to do, just take the lavash bread, cover on top, give a little bit pressure, and pull your skewer. If you want, you can fold one side, then wrap the other side. If you don't want to drip on the floor, ready to go. Sue, are you ready for eating?
Oh yeah. So there you go. One beautiful vegetable kebab, marinated. It looks so delicious. I'm gonna get stuck into it right now. Yeah? Is it ready to go?
Yeah, I will make it for you.
Oh, delicious.
Just fold it, hold the end part and pull it.
Wrap it up, yeah.
Yeah, just fold the one end and wrap it up like this.
That looks, oh my
Hold
good word.
tight. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Like this. It's a real vegetarian dish. You know, all vegetarians, they have to cook this.
Oh, I'm dropping it. That's so good. And all the different tastes that come through on the first bite.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. So there you go. Enjoy your kebabs.
Yeah. What are we saying?
Have
a nice day.